The aim of the practical is using the micrometer screw gauge. The apparatus needed for the practical are micrometer screw gauge, a small metal ball, and a thin metal plate. The parts of the micrometer screw gauge are anvil, frame, spindle, screw, main scale, circular scale, thimble, and ratchet. Let's see the procedures. When the spindle touches the surface of an object, a click sound is heard and the ratchet was not moved. When the click sound is heard, we shouldn't move the ratchet. Then we measured the diameter of a small metal ball in perpendicular direction to each other. Then the average was calculated.